Good morning. So for today, I'm taking you with me to the bins. I need new clothes, and these thrift stores are getting a little crazy with their prices, so I'm gonna go to the bins and I'm gonna challenge myself to spend no more than $25, and I'm gonna see how many outfits I can create from the Goodwill outlet with just $25. So I'll take you guys in with me, and then at the end I'll show you what I got, and then I'll do like a try on with some styling tips and see what kind of different outfits we can come up with just $25. Okay, so this is everything that I have in my cart so far. I have to go through it. Definitely got some mom jeans and stuff to do some projects with. I hope I have enough that I can make some outfits. Found some vintage, but I need to inspect. As you can see, this already has a stain, so that'll be tossed back. So I ended up going over by $3. It ended up being $28.03, and then the stuff that I'll be selling ended up being $17.22, which isn't bad. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm going to do a haul and show you everything that I got. So before I do that, I also just wanted to say that, so what I did was when I got home, I looked through everything and I created outfits, and I have not tried them on yet. So when I show you guys, I'm filming the haul first, and then as I'm showing the outfits, I'll put a little like picture here or maybe like a clip of me trying the outfit on to show you what the outfit looks like. So just a disclaimer that if it looks hideous, I do apologize. I mean, I think everything will work. I did try on the jeans to make sure that they do fit me. Obviously, before trying to show an outfit, I want to make sure that at least the pants fit. Okay. Also, when I was at the bins, so usually a IKEA bag full will cost about $25. So that was kind of the goal. So here's the IKEA bag. This is everything that I got for the outfits. But I did go over, as I did show you guys the receipt, so I went over by $3. And I managed to create 10 outfits, and each outfit costs $2.80. That's crazy. Like, that just goes to show that you really don't have to spend money on clothes, like, at all. Like, you can just go to the outlet and get a whole new wardrobe for $25, $30. You got 10 new outfits right there. So yeah, so let's get into it and let's start the outfits. First outfit that I put together were these vintage Lee mom jeans. They just look like that, and they have like a, I cut the bottom off because when I tried them on, they were too long for me and they just looked weird because I'm only 5 foot tall. So I just cut that off. I haven't washed them and dried them yet, but once I do that, this will be like super cute and it'll start fraying. And then I found this cardigan, which is like a knit. It's by this brand I've never heard of called Relias. I don't know. But I've been seeing a lot of like cardigans being worn as like shirts and tucked in or semi-cropped, and this looks like it'll be a good fit. Like I said, I haven't tried it on yet, but you guys are obviously looking at the outfit now. You can let me know. But I thought that was like a cute combo, and I would probably just like pair this with some boots or sneakers or flats, really anything, because it's a very casual outfit. This next outfit is definitely my favorite. I feel like I have a very more edgier style. So I was excited when I found this really cute graphic t-shirt, and it says, "'Cause I am the champion and you're gonna hear me roar," and it has like a tiger on it, or no, a leopard. And I thought that was cute, and I found this vintage, it looks to be from the 90s. It's by a brand called Betty Blue, but it's this bright purple velvet mini skirt, and I thought that would be a really cute pair with a graphic tee. And something I've actually been on the lookout for is like a leather moto jacket. Now this one's not real leather, but I thought the details of it was really cool. and Goodwill actually wanted $13.50 for it, and since nobody bought it for that price, which I think is kind of high for a used jacket in my opinion, at least when you're shopping at, like, you know, Goodwill, you're not looking to spend $13 on a jacket. At least not me, because I'm very cheap. So I was excited to only pay roughly maybe $1 for this. So I think these three together makes for a cute outfit. Next outfit is a little out of my comfort zone, but I've been really into leather lately, and I found this older, it's not vintage, but I can tell that it is an older style, and it is BB, and this is real leather, and it's like this corset, and it has like a little ruffle detailing and a zipper in the back. So what I did was I paired this with these Pistola, which is one of my favorite brands for denim. They just, I don't know, I really like it. It's sold at like Lulu's, Revolve, and it has like some distressing. Here's the back. These are a size 30. I didn't try these on yet either, but I'm usually like a 28, 29. Sometimes it just depends on the brand, so I'm thinking these should fit. They usually run a little small in my opinion. That's just what I found with this brand, Pistola. So these two paired with this, can I find the top of it? Okay. It is a kimono. So I thought that would be like a really cute outfit for like the summertime or like festival season. And it doesn't have like a tag at all. I have no idea like what size it is, what brand it is, but I really like the style. So I think these three will make an outfit. Next outfit I'm actually excited about as well. So I found these vintage Gap overalls, and I did cut them into shorts because I already have like so many pairs of long overalls, but I only have one pair of like the short overalls, which are vintage Levi's. I actually bought those on Depop. So I paired this with this Free People top, and it's like dust, or I don't know what that was. So yeah, I paired it with this Free People top that has like the really cool balloon sleeve, and I don't know, I just think I've been seeing like big sleeves paired with the overalls, and I kind of like it, so I'm gonna try it out and see what it looks like on, which again, you guys are probably seeing it now since I haven't tried it yet. This is so weird to show an outfit and then not know what it actually looks like yet, because I didn't try it on yet, but I don't know. I think it's fun. I keep saying this one is my favorite, and then I move on to the next one, and I think this one is my favorite, but this one's one of my favorites. I really like it. So what I found and what I put together, this Ann Taylor, and this is like more of like a modest like career style, which I do like. I used to work in banking and I enjoy dressing up for work, so sometimes I like to incorporate that into my everyday outfits. And yeah, so this looks like a career type of shirt. And then I found I do apologize, I have neighbors and they have their music on very loud. Okay, so this I found, and it's actually brand new with tags from Anthropology, and it's my size, and it's like, I don't know, they're like these like sailor shorts, but they're high-waisted, so I'm going to wear this with this shirt tucked in and paired with like this cute marigold yellow, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, I talk about this color a lot because I love it. And it's like this cute jacket. It's an older Tahari. It is a petite size, but what I actually was drawn to is the buttons on this. I just think the color contrast between the yellow and the buttons just, I don't know, it spoke to me. So that's an outfit. Next outfit are these Levi's, and these are the 550, which are one of my favorites. This is a size 34 waist, so I'm thinking it might be a little too big. I haven't tried them on, but I did snip and cut them into shorts because I don't know why I did that, but I just wanted shorts. And I found this really cute cardigan, again, to be worn as just is without a shirt, just like as a wear a cardigan as a shirt. I like the print. This is an older, I'm not sure if it's vintage. I mean, it feels like it's vintage. I'm guessing if it is vintage, it's probably from the late 90s, early 2000s. It's from the brand Gian Pierre, which they do sell at like Nordstrom Rack and TJ Maxx, but I don't know. I just think this tucked in with some shorts and a chunky belt of some sort, and we'll see how that ends up looking on me. So, all I have left are dresses. So, let's see here. I got this American Eagle, and this dress is seriously so pretty. The print on it, and it buttons down, and it also has like a waist tie. So I thought in the spring wearing something like this, which is very feminine and floral, and this is actually vintage, and it is Polo by Ralph Lauren. This is like their old vintage, like late 90s cardigan. And this is actually, so you guys have probably been seeing these everywhere. I know I have, and I've been wanting one for a while now, but I'm just not into paying retail. So it has like the little clip in the front. This one is a size large though, so it's probably gonna be too big for me. I didn't try it on. I probably should have tried it on, but when you're at the bins, there's no dressing rooms or anything. It's just like a free-for-all. You just grab as you go. If it works, great. If not, it's not a huge investment. If this doesn't work, then I can probably just turn around and sell it and make my money back or profit off of it. So yeah, I think pairing a little cream cardi with a floral dress is very, I don't know, boho chic. We'll see. We'll see. I'm very weird with dresses. I don't wear a lot of dresses. If I do, they have to be extremely short because I'm extremely short. So that was like all the outfits that I put together. And since I went over the $25 margin and I got $3 over, which was like $28, I ended up being left with stuff that I'm not sure about. So let me explain the leftovers. I didn't have anything to pair with the dress because I already put outfits together, and this challenge was to create outfits without repeating things. But I can wear this vintage dress with that faux leather jacket. I do like to pair like something edgy with something very dainty. I don't know, I feel like mixing edgy, dainty, girly, just, I don't know why I like it, but I think it looks good, and when you do that, it just helps your outfit. So I didn't try this on. If it does fit, then I will show you guys how that looks, this paired with the jacket. And also these last two dresses, like I said, if it fits and if it does turn out, then I'll show you, but I'm just going to show you what the items were. So this is a vintage Liz Claiborne, and it is a midi dress, and it is a petite size, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this actually does fit me, because being short, it's such a struggle trying to find maxis or midi dresses and skirts. It just never works out well. So that one, and then also this one, which was very interesting. It is very old. Let's see, I think it's probably from like the 70s. Like the tag is very old. It's almost like falling apart, but I think it's really cool. It's straight, is midi length, and it actually had like a matching like jacket, but the jacket was so stained up, and I liked the jacket more, but I decided to just keep the dress instead because, yeah, I don't know, I like the stripes. These are Valerie Stevens stretch. I don't know, I just like them. They're just these stretchy high waist corduroy pants, and they are like a straight leg skinny. They might be cropped, they might work. I'm not going to show you guys. I don't have anything in this haul to match it. Like I said, these are just leftover items, so that technically $25 did make 10 outfits. These are just whatevers. These did not work for me, so I'm going to be selling them because I tried them on and I couldn't even get them up past my thighs, which, I don't know, they're a size 4. I'm usually like a 4-6, but these just run very small. They are Bershka denim, which this brand of Bershka is similar to Zara. They have like the same type of style. And these are mom jeans. I really like them and I'm very sad that they didn't fit. So it has like this big distress here. So if anyone's interested in these jeans, I'll have them listed in my Poshmark closet, which I'll leave a link below. But yeah, so those didn't work out, but everything else, fingers crossed. Let's hope everything fits me. So that concludes everything. So yeah, $25 into 10 outfits with some leftover choices that you can mix and match. I'd say that that's a huge win, and I'm happy with everything that I got. Now I can't wait for spring and summer to like wear it all, but I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you do, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below like what other types of things that you want to see as far as styling, vintage, clothing, thrifting, etc. Just let me know. All right, bye.